Huh? If you give God your heart in the beauty of God's word, and you receive it in your mind, in your heart, then so are you. If you receive the knowledge of Jesus as the divine and human, and that he is one human with you, and as you connect with Jesus like that, then as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. How clear is that? You are divine. Whoa. Don't be so presumptuous, John. That's not presumption, is it? That's stated. You are divine. Whoa. You are divine. Whoa.
I am divine.
If you have a whole team of Christs,